Hey guys, so by this time of year, the dollar store is totally picked over. So if you don't want to leave with a bunch of cheap looking items or things you don't even know what they are, here's some really easy ideas to create a simple gift advent calendar for your family and really affordable gift ideas that the person is actually going to love. I did all of the shopping for this video at the smallest Dollar Tree in my town, so hopefully all of these things are available to you guys too. And first up, I want to show you how to create a super easy tree advent calendar. This doesn't take a lot of time and your kids will love it. I'm so glad. You'll need the little magnetic tins from the office section at Dollar Tree. You need 11 small ones and 1 large one. They come 2 to a pack for $1. There's a free printable for you guys. I'll be sure to put the link down below for all of the numbers. I wanted to make this super easy. All you have to do is cut them out and tape them inside and fill them with dollar store goodies. Fill it with fun items for the kids, and I love some of the name brand options they have, and I think it would make an amazing gift idea. And if you didn't know, the building blocks from the Dollar Tree are compatible with Lego, so it's an awesome way to fill out those tins on such a small budget. And if you fill these so they're busting at the seams, just use a little bit of sticky tack or poster putty to help hold them together. No peeking! This is so easy, you can put it right on the fridge and use it year after year. Now, if you're looking for really nice gifts this year and you're walking around going, how am I gonna pull this together from the dollar store? Go to the book section. I was so impressed with the options. You look on the back of many of these books, they retail from $25 to $30 a piece. And here's how to put together a gift people are going to love. One of my favorite current finds is great ideas for cooking and entertaining, and a really cool way to make a fun gift is flag one of the pages in the book, get one of the dollar store holiday cards, they are beautiful this year, and write a note to the person to use the recipe on that page and fill a little gift basket with everything they need to make that recipe come to life. Something this book suggested when entertaining is using doilies, and I think that's a beautiful way to elevate a tablescape, and they sell these at the dollar store. This recipe book has a great idea using pre-made brownie mix and dulce de leche, as well as parchment paper. I added a few pecans that I found at the dollar store. These can get really expensive, and it's all really easy to put together in a gift basket. This gift costs just $7. It feels really personal and something the person will enjoy, and it retails for over $40. For somebody running super short on time, I grabbed this beautiful coffee table book. It's called The Perfect Glass of Wine. It retails for $25, and I love their wine bags this year. This would make a beautiful hostess gift. It was very inexpensive, and you can put it together fast. And if you're looking to fill out the gift with a few additional items that are actually quality, these are some of my favorites. I found this really cute little notepad as well as thank you notes, and this is things that your teachers and women in your life will actually use. Look for name brand candy. They've got this peanut brittle and also these Russell Stover chocolate boxes. This is a great addition to a gift. Even with picked over selection, there's a lot of great bath bomb options, and the little candles, especially this Cinnabon one, I keep talking about them because they're amazing. This is also a great addition to a gift. You could stick a gift card right on top. I'm not usually a huge fan of the dollar store mugs, but I found a couple this year I thought were really cute. I love this one that says, "You do you, girl." Combined with one of these handmade cards, these are beautiful. You can stick it in a basket along with a scarf, and you can hit that $10 to $15 price point with things the person is actually going to love and appreciate. If you enjoyed this video, definitely leave it a big thumbs up. I am so passionate about creating things that are simple, easy, and on a budget. Anybody can do it. I love you guys, and I'll catch you soon. Bye.